In this video, I'm going to give you the best traffic source, the traffic source that's going to solve all your problems permanently. If you've been struggling to generate traffic, you don't know how to get traffic, you don't know how to convert that traffic, you don't know where to find buyer traffic, you don't know how to get tier 1 traffic, this one video will solve your traffic problems permanently. In this video, I am going to share a traffic network that is booming right now. All the top internet gurus and marketers are using this traffic source, and one of the guy posted on Facebook just a couple of weeks ago that he generated over $4,000 in commissions using this traffic source. So if you start taking this traffic source seriously and start implementing it, your life is never going to be the same again. Okay, so what is this traffic source? Why does it work so well? Here's why it works so well. You know, the top internet gurus, they have built a massive subscriber list using top quality traffic sources, and they are selling it on this platform now. So that's why this traffic source is working very good. Now, before I dive into this video, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. Click the share button, share this video with the people you care. If you have any kind of question, just leave a comment, and I am more than happy to help you, support you, and show you what's working right now. By the way, I am giving away my fast profit strategy manual with resell rights. So if you haven't got that, there's the link going to be in my description box below this video. Get it right now, because in there I share my daily routine of 1 to 2 hours a day that is making thousands and thousands of dollars, and you can implement it yourself and start making money as well. And also, I am sharing the best systems and the program that's working right now, okay, right now, at this current moment. And I am sharing one of the top secret traffic source in there that no one is talking about. In fact, it's a hidden traffic source which I believe you don't even know. Okay, and you can get traffic for less than a penny, and it's not just normal traffic, it's a quality traffic source. Okay, so if you want access to this manual with resell rights, which means you can go and sell it yourself and earn 100% profit, link in my description box below this video. I'm going to have that fast profit strategy manual link in my comment section box below this video as well. Just click on it, get it. I promise you're going to love it, and I promise your life is not going to be the same again. Okay, so let's dive into this. And by the way, before we move forward, look at this. This is a result from one of the members who had just crossed $400,000 with a done-for-you digital business in a box. What are you waiting for? Rainy day, snowy day, cold winter, summer, what are you waiting for, my friend? It's your opportunity and your chance to get on board and start seeing the big wins. People are coming. These are people who never made a dime online, and for the first time they are making money. Okay, so if you are interested in seeing what this business is all about, how this business can change your life, learn and earn together, then you could go just to this website address here, open up a new browser, go to this website address, and this will show you how this all works. Okay, so let's get into this. Okay, so the traffic source is called Traffic Z's, and this is invite only. Okay, and in a moment I'm going to share how to buy the best of the best traffic source and how to find the best traffic provider. Okay, so link popping up right on your screen. Go to this website address and create your free account. That's right. Right now, creating an account is free. So just go ahead and create your free account. Once you do that, you're going to see a dashboard just like this. Okay. So I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to go out there and create your free account. Link popping up right on your screen. Okay, I guess you've done the job, right? So you're in your account. Once you have created your account, you're going to see something like this, okay? So first thing what you need to do is you need to go to add a new campaign. And now we're going to name this campaign. So what are you going to name it? I'm going to name this campaign. Let's just name this campaign John Crestani. If you don't know this guy, he's a creator of one of the best products on ClickBank, and it's a high ticket product that pays over $1,000 in commissions. Down here, you have two options. You could put your landing page URL, or you can put a direct ClickBank affiliate link, which I don't recommend. Okay, simple as that. I do not recommend you putting a direct ClickBank affiliate link here, because putting that means you're just going to lose business. Okay, so for demonstration purposes, I am going to put my website address. Okay, so there you go. I'm going to scroll down, then you're going to have these two options here. Start campaign now, no end date. We're going to click on, so we're going to stick to start campaign now. Then you're going to have two options: allow traffic, block traffic. This is the unique part that you're not going to find anywhere else. Okay, allow traffic means you're telling the traffic that, okay, this is allowed. Block traffic means you're blocking. So you can block traffic providers, countries, device types, operating systems, traffic tags. We're going to stick to allowed traffic. Okay, so let's just stick to allowed traffic. And then you're going to have three options: make money online, weight loss, health. Okay, when it comes to, you're probably thinking, wait, weight loss, health is the same? No, it's not the same. Weight loss is related to weight loss. Health means everything, okay? That could be yoga, that could be mental health, that could be men's health, that could be woman's health, that could be dentist. You understand why, you get the idea, okay? So let's just stick to make money online. That includes work from home, affiliate marketing, etc. Traffic provider, this is very important. Now try to understand, if you're buying traffic for the first time, okay, here's my recommendation, okay? If you're buying traffic for the first time, don't leave this blank. Select one at a time, okay? Everyone's different. So I tested a couple of these people, like 6, 7, 8 people of these people, and I found that all of their traffic is top-notch quality traffic, okay? But not everyone's traffic is going to convert to leads, subscribers, and sales with your offer. So you need to test, all right? So you want to stick to one at a time, okay? So in this video, because you're my subscriber, you're my viewer, okay? I'm going to give you the best person, all right? Right now, I'm going to give you actually two best person. One person I'm going to select, and the other person I'm just going to tell you who is the best right now, in my opinion, okay? And I'm going to give you the reasons why, all right? This is a bonus from my side. Well, you're welcome and thank you, okay? I hope you can give me a thumbs up for this, and I hope you can subscribe to my YouTube channel if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. And if you want to learn more about this, on me giving you my insider secret that's generated me over $1 million on the internet, get access to my Fast Profit Strategy Manual. Fast Profit Strategy Manual. Link popping up right now on the screen. You can open up a new browser and go to this website address right now and purchase Fast Profit Strategy Manual. I share my $1 million secret in this manual. And not just that, I'm giving you the resell rights to it as well. So you can sell it and earn 100% profit. And not just that, if you get stuck anywhere, feel free to contact me on Facebook. I'm an open book on Facebook. Contact me and I'm ready to help you answer all your questions, okay? So go here, get this Fast Profit Strategy Manual, because it's going to be a life-changing opportunity for you. Don't wait till tomorrow. Get your mindset right. You need to learn how to invest in your business, in your marketing, in advertising, in education. I still buy courses. I still buy programs and systems, because I know it's a big field. You need to learn more and more and more stuff, okay? So you need to do something to move forward. All right, so learn how to take risk. Risk is going to make you move forward, and you're going to make it through, okay? So here's the link popping up. You can find the link in the comment section about description box as well. Just get access to my fast profit strategy manual. Okay, and I share everything in that manual. The daily routine, 1 to 2 hours to thousands of dollars in commissions, proven and tested for so many members. Okay, and they are crushing it, and you could be one of those people. So don't wait till tomorrow. Do it now. Do it now. Okay, let's connect. Let's do this, and let's crush it together. All right, so I'm telling you, I'm going to give you this bonus. So let me just give you the best person. Oh, they've added extra people into this. Oh my word, man. Now I'm confused. All right, between two people. So let me just give you the two best, okay, for now. The number one best person I recommend, okay, is this person here. Oh my word. This guy's got some top-notch traffic. Okay, top-notch traffic. Trust me, I'm not even joking. All right, I know one person made $6,000 in commissions from ClickBank using this guy's traffic. All right, so I promise you, because you're my viewer, my subscriber, I'm gonna give you two best people in here. You want to know more? You want to know some underground secret traffic sources where you can get traffic for less than 0.00001 cents? Get access to my fast profit strategy manual. Link in my comment section box. Get it now. Don't wait till tomorrow. Get it now. You're not going to be disappointed. All right, let me give you another guy who's got some top-notch traffic, okay? This guy here. Vita V. Okay, whatever his name is. Vita V. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, okay? This guy's got some top-notch traffic. This guy has generated millions of dollars. He's generating millions of dollars every single year, right? And he's got some top-notch traffic. That's why his traffic is a bit expensive compared to this guy. But I have found this guy's traffic to be one of the best, one of the top, and one of the greatest traffic source. Okay? Country, English speaking. Oh my word, what is this? I don't want this. I want English tier 1 countries, not international. Remember that, okay? You're going to have options here. Let me just go back. Let me explain. Look at this. English tier 1 countries, international tier 1 countries. No. I don't want international. I want English tier 1 countries. All right? Just remember that. Leave everything as it is. One more important part. Traffic tags, okay? Look at the options you're getting here. Email clicks, engage clicks, excess clicks, Facebook ads, funnel clicks, media buys, mixed clicks, notification clicks, we want email clicks. Remember that, okay? Very important part here. We're going to stick to 50 cents. And let's see what happens. Okay, so on the right hand side, it says based on your current target, there are 202 clicks available at a cost of 67 cents. So let's just put 67. Okay, we want to go according to what they are telling me. All right. And then total budget, stop campaign when reached. So I'm going to stick to $50 for now. Okay. And daily budget, I'm going to put this to $10. Why? Because I want to optimize my campaign. I'm still testing the water. All right. So $10 to see how it goes, and leave it smooth. Don't leave it accelerate. So you know, so the traffic starts coming in, you want to start seeing the leads. Now, before you do anything like this, make sure you have your lead magnet page ready, which is called a landing page. Make sure you have your autoresponder email follow-ups ready, okay? And make sure you have a good, great offer, okay? Once you're ready, you want to click on active, click on save campaign down here, go to the top, all right? And then what you want to do, this got all the changes, you want to add funds, okay? Once you add funds, your traffic is ready to come rock and roll, okay? If you still haven't joined this traffic source, create your free account. Here's the link popping up right on the screen. Create your free traffic source, start buying traffic. Now remember, persistent is the key to success. You buy traffic once and then say, oh, I'm not going to buy it again now. That's it, done. It doesn't work like that. You need to continue to buy traffic, build that list, build subscribers, grow your business, grow your list. That leads, the traffic continues to come in. That's when the money's going to start pouring in, okay? Just buying it one time, 300 clicks and expecting millions, it doesn't work like that, my friend. You need to do it every single day. Get leads, get subscribers, get everything, okay? So, that's all for now. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do so. And if you want to learn my insider secrets of making thousands of dollars, proven and tested, then Fast Profit Strategy Manual. Get it now. I promise you're not going to be disappointed.